Woo! Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gunpla Bear Show. And today we'll unleash a kit, and it's not a Gunpla, but it is because a Beyblade. Yep, another Beyblade kit that we have right here. And yeah, yep, okay. So let's just unleash this first before we will talk about what is in this package or parcel. So let's go with my rusty but still trusted cutter. Let's go. Oops, there's something tape on this. Okay, let's unleash this box. Let's go. Okay, so we have here, and we unleash your this is your Beyblade X Random Booster BX16, and this is your Viper tail. Yeah. I'm so confused on how to pronounce that Viper tail. And yeah, it's a random booster, but what I've ordered is a confirmed booster, so we already know what's inside, and it is the winning piece or the winning blade. Yeah, but still it is on a pack right here. I just want to open it if it is really the confirmed booster, because I don't know if it is or not. But yeah, I think okay, they have opened it a little bit, so there's a the pick right there. Okay, so it's confirmed. It's the first or the winning piece or the winning blade on this random booster. It's a little bit let's say a little bit pricey because it is the confirmed one. And yeah, but still it's okay because it's more pricey if you will get the set, because I think the set will go until 2,000 pesos and above. So each of them can be 700 pesos. So I just want the price bay. I just want the real Viper tail, the real one, which is on what we can see on the anime, which I don't even see the first episode of the Beyblade X, but it is on the anime and manga. So the real Viper tail will be on this one, the orange tip or orange bit, and then the blue ratchet right there, and this orange part right here, which I already need to see it on the what you call that, the fake Beyblade X that I have here. I've already unleashed those fake Beyblade X, which would have the Viper tail. So that's the only Viper tail that I want. So if I have some extra money, I will buy some of the variations of Viper tail, which is the black one right here, and the orange or something yellow right here, the Viper tail in yellow, and they have a different bit. So yeah, maybe it's also exciting to have them, so we can compare it to the original one right here. But yeah, why I get this one, because when I try the Viper tail, which I already saw, I think I already uploaded it on my channel, that the Viper tail has a really nice spin. I think it's a defense type. Yeah, am I right? Yeah, defense type, which is very nice. It can go more time on the field or on the stadium. So yeah, that's why I get it. And yeah, the design very nice also. So we'll have a different video or a different vlog for the unboxing, which I already opened it, the box. We already know what's inside. So yeah, this is just an unleashing for today, a very short video for this one. And the next one we will open this, we will unbox, we will have a spin test, and then a test battle with other Beyblade X original ones, and then also the fake ones, and especially the bootleg Viper tail. Yeah, it's really easy to identify them because yeah, the screws that used on the Viper tail or the Beyblade X original one is different, and the screws of the fake Beyblade X is also different. So it's very easy to tell which is the original and which is the fake one. And especially also the coating of the metal at the upper part, which is on the original, it's a little bit matte colored metal, and then on the Beyblade X fake ones are more on glossy one. Okay, so that's it. That's our Viper tail, and yeah, we will have a spin test, a test battle of this Beyblade. Okay, so yeah. That's it. That's our unleashing or Beyblade unleashing for today. So yeah, I hope you like this kind of videos, and if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so to be informed for my next videos. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gunblower Show signing off. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Bye. Woo! So, if you reach this part of my video, please comment down there below hashtag Jake the Beyblader and have the chance to be shout out on our next video. That's it. Thank you so much. Peace out.